these creatures.
Did you do the dishes or were you just doing toys?
Hi.
Okay.
Maximus. Maximus. Arctic. Bambi. Hey, 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 not watch where you put your teeth. That's Ziggler.
You're giving me all fake ideas.
Adopt 20 cats. Yeah? Just take the whole shelter, huh? What's going on? Look at those claws.
I look forward to dishing.
Oh, he likes you.
No. I'm just helping Sharon. Yeah.
Look at these babies. Look at the violet creatures. What's happening?
Kitty.
How long have they been out? Okay.
Ow! Hey, hey, hey. That hurt. Oh. Sniff, sniff.
No bitey.
You're being a little rough. Are you being spicy? But I have to maul.
Come on.
I have to bite. Baby. No, sir. No. Ow. It's okay, Ichabod. Yeah. Hello. No. The violent sisters.
Oh, no bitey.
My God. I'm like, it's like watching paint dry. Sorry. Block the whole pathway.
Everyone's being nice, I hope.
No, chewy.
Ow!
Wow.
What is with you guys today?
No bitey.
Who taught everyone how to bite? I bet it was you, Maximus. It appears they all learned this bad behavior when I was gone. I was here on Monday and everyone was so nice. And now everyone's mean.
My category I'm in, my mom's gonna buy enchiladas, and then I said I would do an appetizer and a dessert. I like, we had like the monkey bread before.
Blah, 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 blah. Oh, blah, 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 blah. Oh, blah, 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 blah.
In the middle of all the pieces.
Boah, boah, ow. Oh, boah, boah.
And then sometimes I put frosting
Look
on
at these
it,
violent
and it's,
creatures.
so
Wanna go under, Alaska?
I actually had a friend who
Hey,
wanted to enter.
don't be too rough with her.
It's like, okay, so like biscuit dough, like canned biscuit dough, and in this recipe you put a little piece of cream cheese, wrap it around it, and then you put the biscuit dough and cinnamon sugar, and then you bake. You also have to make a caramel layer, and then you bake it all together and slice it. It's very nice.
What did you call it? Gorilla what?
Gorilla bread. Call it Dean recipe. The original one's called monkey bread. Okay, so that's just, yeah, well, it's got like 4 sticks of butter in the recipe, so. I don't know if it's full, but there's definitely more than that. Just have a little piece.
And cholesterol.
Yeah.
Why did you bring it in?
Well, we're talking about the holiday. And I thought, when I made it, I've made it for holiday parties, so.
Oh, morning.
Yeah, I like it.
Ow! That was your head.
Baby. No. No, I didn't. Maybe the third time I get it, it was the more difficult.
Let me squeeze my
That's usually how you go.
Chew his ear off. Show him who's boss. Hi. Bump. Are you being too rough, Bambi? Oh my goodness. You want to go under the blankie? Here you go. There's just so much happening. Don't bite his junk. Ma'am. Oh my goodness, you're all poofy. Uh-oh. Crossfire.
Yes, I did. Well, no. This is at the nose.
You guys are eerie. Oh, Bambi, you're all poofed up. Is it getting too intense? Oh, what's going on? Whoa! Hey, 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 hey. Whoa. No.
No, kitty, go away.
No, no, no. No. Back it up. It's okay. Wait, you guys are a little much today. Were you just ignored all day yesterday?
Baby.
Was there anyone here yesterday?
Yeah, hopefully that, but yeah. So I remember coming in and I broke my heel on my foot, yeah. That was fun.
Oh my goodness.
Coming in and have the little kittens crawl all over you. So I like it.
So the two white ones are sisters. And Ziggler, all his siblings have been adopted, so he's the last one of his litter. And then, woohoo! Maximus over there and Bambi were raised in the same foster home, so they're based. What is up with you? What is up with you guys today? Oh my goodness! Oh my goodness! Okay, somebody needs a timeout, and it's gonna be you because you're the closest. Yeah? What was I saying? Oh yeah. So those two are basically siblings. I'm gonna squish you. Yes. You're being a stinker. Yeah. Why are you being so mean? Ooh, you have the prettiest eyes. You know that? Mm-hmm.
And we'll go in here. This is where we have a lot of food.
Thank you for not bothering her. You gotta get that shoe smell. Inspect